Are you ready to take charge of your personal and career development journey? Let's dive in. Today's topic: breaking the glass ceiling, unraveling the mystery of why high performers aren't getting promoted. In many organizations, the journey to career advancement is not always straightforward, and high-performing employees often find themselves facing roadblocks to promotion. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content like this. And, if you find this video insightful, please share it with your friends and family. This video explores common reasons why high performers may struggle to climb the corporate ladder and offers practical solutions with illustrative examples. 1. Lack of visibility. Challenge. High performers may focus so intensely on their tasks that they neglect to showcase their achievements to key decision-makers. Solution. Proactively communicate successes through regular updates, presentations, and involvement in cross-functional projects. For instance, Jane, a diligent project manager, ensured her accomplishments were highlighted in team meetings, gaining the attention of upper management. 2. Insufficient networking. Challenge. Exceptional work doesn't always translate into professional connections, limiting exposure to promotion opportunities. Solution. Actively engage in networking events, mentorship programs, and industry conferences. Mark, a talented software engineer, expanded his network by attending tech meetups, ultimately connecting with influential leaders who recognized his expertise. 3. Inadequate leadership skills. Challenge. High performers may excel in individual tasks but lack the leadership skills needed for higher roles. Solution. Seek leadership training and mentorship to develop interpersonal and managerial abilities. Maria, an outstanding sales executive, underwent leadership workshops, enhancing her communication and team-building skills, making her an ideal candidate for a managerial position. 4. Limited adaptability. Challenge. Over-reliance on existing skills without embracing new challenges may hinder career progression. Solution. Demonstrate a willingness to take on diverse projects and adapt to changing circumstances. Alex, a proficient data analyst, volunteered to lead a cross-departmental initiative, showcasing his ability to thrive in dynamic environments and positioning himself for a promotion. 5. Absence of career advocacy. Challenge. High performers may assume their work speaks for itself, neglecting the importance of having advocates in upper management. Solution. Cultivate relationships with mentors and sponsors who can champion your advancement. Sarah, a top-performing marketing specialist, actively sought mentorship from a senior executive, who later endorsed her for a strategic role within the company. 6. Failure to align with organizational goals. Challenge. High performers may focus solely on individual achievements without aligning their efforts with broader company objectives. Solution. Understand and contribute to the organization's strategic goals. Tom, a talented finance professional, demonstrated his commitment to the company's financial health by proposing cost-saving initiatives aligned with overall business objectives. Conclusion. Overcoming the challenges faced by high performers requires a strategic approach that goes beyond exceptional task execution. By actively addressing visibility, networking, leadership development, adaptability, advocacy, and alignment with organizational goals, high-performing employees can pave the way for a successful and fulfilling career progression. These practical solutions, illustrated through real-world examples, offer a roadmap for individuals seeking to break through the barriers to promotion. And remember, in a competitive workplace, it's not just about doing the job exceptionally well but also about effectively showcasing one's value and potential for future growth. Thanks for listening.